Welcome to our tutorial on sharing your avatar on Instagram Reels. Let's walk through the steps to add a personal touch to your reel with your own avatar. Begin by opening the Instagram app on your Android device. Once the app is launched, you'll be greeted with your Instagram feed. Next, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and select Reel to start creating your new Reel video. After creating your Reel content, tap on the sticker icon located at the top of the screen to access various stickers and interactive elements. Locate and tap on the avatar icon among the sticker options. This will enable you to add your personalized avatar to your reel. Choose your preferred avatar from the available options by tapping on it. Customize your avatar to reflect your unique style and personality. Once you've selected and customized your avatar, tap on Your Next to proceed. Then, tap Share to post your reel with your avatar to your Instagram feed. By following these simple steps, you can enhance your Instagram Reels with a personalized touch by incorporating your avatar. Share your creativity and showcase your personality through your avatar on Instagram Reels today.